दिल्ली में एयर मार्शल आशुतोष दीक्षित ने त्रिसेवा यानी कि थल, जल और वायु सेना के एकीकरण और आधुनिक युद्ध प्रणाली पर महत्वपूर्ण बयान दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि आने वाले समय में सुरक्षा और युद्ध रणनीति के लिए तीनों सेनाओं के बीच ऊर्जा, तकनीक और सूचना का साझा एकीकरण बेहद जरूरी है। उनके अनुसार कोई भी एक सेना अकेले भविष्य के युद्धों में निर्णायक भूमिका नहीं निभा सकती। एयर मार्शल दीक्षित ने कहा कि सामूहिक नेतृत्व, एकीकृत सिस्टम और साझा स्थिति की जानकारी निर्णायक जीत दिला सकती है।
Let me begin with a very simple but powerful truth that forging tri-service synergy and integration in US, UAV and counter-US is not merely desirable, it is a strategic imperative for us and for the operational freedom of our three services to protect this nation. No single service can fight the next war alone. Only collective leadership, integrated systems, and shared situational awareness can deliver decisive victory in the battles ahead. We stand at a decisive moment in history, in human history also, and in military history. Unmanned aerial systems are no longer just enablers. They are a means of warfare in their own right, already replacing manned aircraft in an increasing variety of roles and already influencing the outcomes of real conflict right now as we speak. We recently marked the first anniversary of Operation Sindoor, which was India's swift, high-intensity, multi-domain military response conducted under the nuclear umbrella, in which speed, strength and precision shaped a decisive and favorable outcome. In that operation, drones became a weapon of choice for the first time in this Indo-Pak conflict. This has changed the nature of border warfare. The world took note, our adversaries also took note, and so must we also take note, and that is why I think this seminar is very timely. I will speak today on 6 interlinked themes: the changing character of warfare, mass precision, US as force multipliers, man-unmanned teaming, our counter-US response, and what both industry and the defense forces must do urgently. I will close with a look at the larger horizon, because drones are only the opening act of coming robotic war.